Alright, so here's apparently there's more ceiling fans I just didn't know. Here's the 3-bladed one. I think somebody has this fan. Indoor ceiling fan. Oh look, here's a replica, Triplicity replica. This is 30-inch though, not 24. There's this one, 52-inch ceiling fan. Indoor also. This one's kind of nice. But this is the new design they're introducing. The blade brackets. The rectangular blade brackets, I guess. Somebody said, I think the fan man didn't like this one. See, they're doing the same thing with this. See that? This one kind of reminds me of the Grayton. Look how small the motor is. Supposedly outdoor, indoor. And what's this? Another 52-inch indoor outdoor fan. There's this one here. Same thing with this one. Another one right here. Down rod ceiling fan again. See, they're not specific. It's too broad, not specific. Another down rod, 44-inch. Looks like a Wellston. Oh, here's the mainstays. Look at that. 5-bladed brushed nickel. Oh, satin nickel. My bad. Another one, oil rub bronze. And what's this one? This is all black. Look at this one. Yeah, this one. I like the pretzel bracket blades. Kind of what Stardust Lido has, but not pretzel bracket. And then here's looks like a Armitage 5-bladed version, but 52-inch. Here's this one over here. Anyway, that's it for the ceiling fans. Bye.